Hi, I have a question for you. So, what woke you up today? Most of us would say the alarm clock. Well, think about it this way. If the alarm clock woke you up, now try putting the same alarm clock next to a dead person. So, if your conclusion is the same as mine, that means that is not what woke you up today. It is the breath of life in you. It is the Spirit of God in you that woke you up today. So, what the alarm clock did, it just brought noise to your attention. So, today, take a moment and remember to thank God for the gift of life. So, bye.